Are you familiar with the notion of the chicken and the egg, Mr. Griffith? I mention it. Or are you not selling enough milkshakes because you don't have the multi-patented direct drive electric motor? You'll be selling more of those sons of bitches.
여기 열심히 쉐이크 만드는 기계를 판매 중인 남자 레이.
Nah, but thanks anyways.
하지만 오늘도 그의 사업은 순조롭지 않았고
Miss, how much longer?
I'm so sorry. We're really busy today.
쉐이크 기계를 팔며 근처 가게에서 식사를 하는 것이 그의 루틴이었습니다.
What do you say?
What do I?
I ordered the barbecue beef.
늘 음식은 늦게 나왔고 주문 실수도 많았습니다.
Nothing in the world can take the place of persistence and determination alone.
그러던 어느 날 그는 뜻밖의 기쁜 소식을 듣게 되는데
We got an order. 6 mixers.
I'm sure misunderstood. You know what? Give me the number.
Hello? McDonald's?
Hello, good afternoon. May I please speak with your owner? The reason I'm calling is someone placed an order with us for some
Yes, that was me. You know what? I think that was a mistake. Better make it 8. What's that now?
맥도날드라는 가게는 무려 8대의 기계를 주문했습니다. 레이는 곧바로 그 가게를 찾아가 보기로 결정했고
Don't worry. It moves fast.
Really? Hamburger and French fries and a Coca-Cola.
Here you are.
No. I just ordered.
And now it's here.
Where the silverware and the plates?
You just eat it straight out of the wrapper and
Where do I eat it?
in your car, the park.
맥도날드는 이 당시 기준 모든 것이 신박했던 가게였고 레이는 이 가게에 대한 분석을 시작했습니다.
How is everything?
This might be the best hamburger I've ever had in my life.
Great crop.
The multi-mixer fella. I spoke with my brother Dick.
그리고 이곳에서 맥도날드를 만든 형제 중 한 명인 모리스를 만나게 되죠.
Well, finish up. I'll come back.
Alrighty, thanks.
맥도날드는 매우 체계적이고 효율적인 동선으로 움직였고
The first stop for every McDonald's hamburger is the grill. Burger Crossing. Yeah, custom built. Full kitchen is. Grilled a counter in 30 seconds. Oh, I didn't. We did. Dick McDonald, my brother. The fries. They're 5% too crisp.
레이는 맥도날드 형제들을 보고 큰 감명을 받았습니다.
Wait a minute. I want to take you out to dinner. I want to hear your story.
It's 1940, and drive-ins are all the rage. I mean, they are.
It takes forever and a day for your food to arrive, and when it finally does,
It's usually long.
And then there's the expenses.
이들은 드라이브인에 대한 냉철한 시야를 가지고 있었고
walk up to a window, get your food yourself, drive out the riffraff.
It needed to be ours.
Orders ready in 30 seconds, not 30 minutes.
최고의 동선을 위해 운동장에서 엄청난 노력을 해왔죠.
Sink on the right, extruder on the left. And this is burger slide.
그렇게 만들어진 지금의 주방 구조.
Dick is running around with this stick, marking where all the equipment should be, choreographing it like some crazy burger battle.
It's a symphony of efficiency, not a wasted motion.
The world's first ever system to deliver food fast. So that's our story.
그들의 스토리에 레이는 그날 밤 잠에 들지 못했고 얼마 후 그는 맥도날드 형제들에게 하나의 제안을 합니다.
Franchise.
Beg pardon?
Franchise. Sea to shining sea.
Mr. Cross.
Hey, you know, this means I came out here for you.
그런데 이들은 이미 프랜차이즈를 시도해봤다 말하는데
We already tried. And that's all there will ever be. Quality control.
지점들이 품질 관리가 되지 않아 가까운 몇 곳을 제외하고는 결국 포기한 상황이었죠.
Our energies are better spent making this place the best it can.
Hey, look, I think you boys are missing something. What are those?
The golden arches, I call them.
Did you ever build one like that?
Just one.
레이는 황금아치 조형물이 있는 지점으로 향했고
I saw a restaurant. I've never seen a restaurant like this. Boy,
So here we go. A new idea to chase.
those things put a roof over our heads.
It's a good life if you weren't too busy to live it. When's enough gonna be enough for you?
Probably never.
이후로도 레이는 포기하지 않았고
If you boys don't want to franchise for yourselves, do it for your country.
결국 맥도날드 형제는 레이와 함께 사업을 하기로 결정하죠.
All right. Let's get to work, boys. Just be right one time. One time.
하지만 매우 신중한 맥도날드 형제로 인해 시작부터 쉽지는 않았습니다.
Ray Kroc on the line.
You boys are killing me.
What's the hold
We need our architect to thoroughly review it.
Ray.
I need you to take a breath.
It's our name on that building.
So much for the speedy system, huh?
I'm just not comfortable with the notion of turning our menu into an.
It's free money.
But that doesn't mean we should.
Loads of restaurants do
Well,
this.
we don't.
Yeah, but you could have fooled me.
A hothead like that, you don't know what he's capable of.
그럼에도 레이는 자신의 방식대로 열심히 움직였고
Hi there. Hi. Hey.
재력 있는 지인들에게도 이 사업에 대해 소개합니다.
Really interesting. You boys are going to want a piece of this.
Here we go again. Restaurant filled with milkshakes and Voldenooks. I'm just joking with you, Ray.
Hold on, Jack. Should hear him out.
Fully automated kitchen. The likes of which I've never seen. It's revolutionary. Might make you boys a few dollars.
그렇게 레이는 열심히 영업을 뛰었고
All right, let's do this. Congratulations.
3 new franchises in the last month. They all pop up at once. How's he going to maintain standards?
딕의 우려대로 급한 확장은 품질 관리에 어려움을 겪었고 돈이 많은 사업가들은 매장에 최선을 다하지 않았고 공장식으로 움직여 맥도날드와 맞지 않았습니다.
Yeah, we're not going to the club tonight. Those rolling green people. They're not really our kind. They're so complacent and so content. You and I, we can make a lot of new friends.
그리고 레이는 자신의 일에 최선을 다하고 간절한 사람들을 찾게 되죠.
Not interested in the Bible, sure to be the pride of your family's home life. This leather-bound beauty on your book.
Hey, wait a minute. What's a Jew doing selling Catholic Bibles?
Making a living.
레이는 이런 자들에게 맥도날드 매장을 맡기게 되었고
Tuck that pickle in. These are ready to spend. Smooth. 75. Looking good. Big smiles.
But for you, I'll make an exception.
My new franchisees are great. Husband and wife, side by side, like a real team.
McDonald's is family. We're one big family, aren't we?
I'm looking for a few good men.
Do a little drive.
They got a little fire in them. Opportunity. It's opportunity. Opportunity. Grab the brass ring. Give yourself a shot at the American dream.
You can succeed.
There's gold to be had at the end. Now who's with me? Come on, let me see some hands.
그렇게 맥도날드는 엄청난 발전을 이루기 시작합니다.
McDonald's.
하지만 눈부신 성장과 달리 큰 문제가 있었는데
How can we be almost out of capital?
Your revenue, the monthly cut of this.
처음 계약 때 맺은 배당금으로 인해 지점을 늘릴수록 레이는 오히려 손해를 보고 있었습니다.
Hiya, Ray.
I want to renegotiate. You know, I'm out here breaking my neck for you.
Upping your cut, it would be unfair to the franchise. Freely and willingly agreed to the terms of your
3.5%.
No!
God damn it!
알아보니 냉동고가 지출의 큰 부분을 차지하고 있었고
And my pop used to own an ice cream parlor. I'm a belly up from the refrigeration cost.
McDonald's.
Just found a way to save powdered milkshake, fraction of the cost of ice cream, no
Ray,
refrigeration.
we have no interest in a milkshake that contains no milk. Not like that.
We're talking about the same great taste. I understand.
그러던 어느 날 레이에게 한 남자가 나타나는데
I caught a bit of your conversation back there. Sounds like you're having financial...
You're not making money hand over fist. Something's terribly wrong. You don't seem to realize what business you're in. You're not in the burger business. You're in the real estate business. By owning the land upon which that burger is cooked. Land. That's where the money is. Control over Dick and Mac. What do you say, Ray?
그렇게 레이는 부동산을 중심으로 전략을 바꿔 활동했고
Have you heard of the Franchise Realty Corporation?
Hey, Dick, how you doing?
Well, if you really want to know, I'm a Ted.
Just a little something I created.
Well, you can't do something like that without first clearing.
Except it's not a change. It's not a change. It's a company.
맥도날드 형제들이 통제할 수 없는 독립의 회사를 만들었죠.
Your authority stops at the door.
What is he saying?
He's buying the land.
이로 인해 그는 엄청난 부를 이루게 되었고 이제는 대놓고 맥도날드 형제를 무시하며 할 일을 해버리죠.
You are way out of line, Ray.
You have no right. You are to stop this instant.
I am through taking marching orders. I have a far greater understanding of McDonald's than you two yokels.
You have a contract!
Contracts are like hearts. They're made to be broken.
계약까지 어기며 불도저처럼 나아가는 레이.
It's not so simple. The brothers are your business partners.
And I don't care what it takes.
심지어 맥도날드란 이름으로 주식회사까지 만들어 버립니다.
This is not your company, Ray. We came up with the Speedy system, not you.
I came up with the concept of winning. You don't get there by being some aw shucks nice guy sap.
We want you out of this company, Ray.
Mac, how do you propose? Of a major corporation with land holdings in 17. You're fucking local.
레이의 말에 결국 맥은 멘탈이 나가 쓰러져 버립니다.
You need to watch that. It's a big contributing factor.
하지만 레이는 여기서 멈추지 않았고
How you feeling? I hear about you. There's a card in there. Go ahead. What's it look like?
A blank check. What are you buying?
You get better? Right?
You will never beat him.
Dick McDonald on the line.
2.7 million. It's $1 million for each of us.
1% of the company's profits in perpetuity.
맥도날드 형제는 결국 레이에게 상품권을 팔기로 결정했고
Your 1% cut of future corporate earnings will have to be carried out in
It's my investor group. The financing that's a deal breaker for them. Look, fellas, you'll get your full royalty. Got my word on that. Let's make a deal. All right.
그렇게 맥도날드의 모든 걸 빼앗는 데 성공한 레이.
I just have to ask you one thing, something I've never understood. We showed you everything. So why didn't you just
Steal it? Just must have invited lots of people.
Lots of people started restaurants?
As big as McDonald's? Of course not. One thing that makes McDonald's special. The name. That glorious name, McDonald's. Sounds like America. A guy named McDonald, he's never gonna get pushed around.
So if you can't beat him, buy him.
I saw that name stretched across your stand out there. Now I do.
You don't have it.
You sure about that? How the heck does a 52-year-old over the hill of in the neighborhood of $700 million? Nothing in this world can take the place of persistence and determination alone.
I'd like to do a profile of you, Peg, to the opening of your 100th.